I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
Word machine. Check.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me.
The enemies. So anyways, let's start with this thing. It's anti-script glass, coin, gorilla glass file. Yeah, this one is a gorilla glass file. And there's a curved, so it's curved, and it's IPS colorful screen, so it's colorful like it, and 9 inch hardness, 2.58 curved glass. So it has a 240 to 15 display, and this thing is like, I think it's metal, it's not plastic. This part may be metal, I have no idea. And then this is a 9 centimeter thickness zinc. Yeah, this is not plastic. This is zinc magnesium alloy material and waterproof in the body. This whole thing is 9.9 millimeters on the size thing. And also you get your customization options for the watch band. You can easily remove it. I have no idea how to remove this. Oh yeah, now okay, you just need to press this small tick and it goes out. So it's a bit hard for the first time, but it's not for the second time, I guess. Yeah, it's a pretty beautiful watch. I love it. Stupid. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the messaging. 5 AGM, that means 50 meters waterproof. It has more spots. My god, why does this thing so hard to put any remove in something? Yep, I put it that band, right? Okay, there we go. So anyways, it has 5 ATM waterproof, 50 meters, and it has during swimming it will record all the sports data, and also this thing will not work if you put it in hot water, spa or sauna thing. I don't know what you mean by sauna, but yes. And it has a bit better chipset than its original one. The original Colmi smartwatch, which is S9, this is the S9 one. The original version had a NRF51822 chipset. This thing has a NRF52832 chipset. This is 40% faster improvement on normal stuff. I can see it's pretty fast, and you got to the original thing, it's pretty fast. Yeah. This thing is gonna have 15 times long time span by and 7 days of processing working. That means the battery in this thing is super good. Super duper good. If it has an accelerometer or telemeter or something, I don't know, and a sports working thing, this thing is gonna have good battery. And also you can customize your watch face. I'm gonna do this thing. This is gonna be a big thing in my channel, but who cares? I mean, it's gonna get mad, but who cares? It's gonna go very bad, I know. So there we go. Now I'm gonna go back this is gonna go big meme in my channel. Yeah, this is. Where is it again? Yep, this is gonna be a big meme in my channel. I know. Anyways, in top of that, it has Bluetooth 4.0. It has the app you gotta download. It's called as the Fit thing. So it's a very nicely built app. It is very nicely built up from the ground up. It's decently bestly done, and it also has your watch photo or something of your watch, and you can turn the notification stuff. So you can manage all your notifications and the shutter stuff also, and also on WhatsApp, Facebook, Viber, not Viber, I think. My Viber is not supported. Phone messages, every single thing is gonna show the message on the watch face. This is pretty cool. I like it. And also it has a hardware monitor. Yep. It has a hardware monitor. And as you can see, it's a hardware monitor. Please wear good. Ah yeah, I need to wear good. Yeah, that's the thing. You should wear good and try again. Then I tried it once. So it is 95 BPM, that's normal. You can also measure blood pressure and blood oxygen with this. And yeah, this is the heart rate. I don't care about the heart rate. There's a lot of sports mode. I'll show you. So basically it has walking, running, cycling, sports, skipping, badminton, basketball, football. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna. Yeah. So, and then it has, yeah, that's the thing, and it has the steps you want to put it on. So I have went a total of 1012 steps, and also this thing has a perimeter sensor. This sensor, which is on this watch, is a very expensive thing, so it's gonna high up the cost of the watch, but it's gonna work. It's a very nice, it's a very good sensor, so it's gonna work good. And also when you're sleeping, you're gonna show the sleeping data. I didn't sleep yet, so it's at 0 sleeping data. And also it can show you the weather code forecast of your area. I think it won't work for every single place in the world. I'm gonna get to that weather thing again. Where is it? Yeah, here's it. So in my area it's 25 degrees. No, pretty normal. I mean, not degrees Celsius. Normal. Yeah, and then it has which is not my favorite feature, which is the sedimentary harm feature, which means that if you're sitting so long for on the desk or something for 1 hour, it's gonna remind you, vibrate and remind you that thing, get out of the chair thing. It's gonna also have an app movement thing, which I don't care, I don't even exercise. Yeah, that's fine getting flat. Yeah, and it has a cost. No, those stuff are not working. Not working, they are working. So, also it has a free thing called as the gesture feature. So you just keep your watch like this, and then you turn it off. Your hand like this. It turns on automatically. And the cost of this watch, it is $70. You have it's a big sale going on for $39 right now on their website. And most importantly, this is the newest arrival of their list with the V11 watch. So yeah, if you want the newest arrivals, this is the thing you should get right now. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, my friends and girls and something and boys. And so thanks for watching. This is View. I forgot to do this. I forgot the last piece. This thing. Yeah, this is the charger, so let me show you it. So you keep your watch in here, make sure it's on the correct. So it will work very best with a fast charger, if you didn't know that. It's the other side. It's pretty easy to put it on. and then you plug it in, I guess, and charging. The charging, they should update it. Oh, by the way, this thing has updates up to like 5 years or something. I have no idea, not 5 years. It has updates, so don't worry, it has a lot of updates. So what do you guys think about this smartwatch, which is not cheap? Let me know in the comments down below. This is View, and I'll catch you guys next time. Call me.
Ho ho ho!